SolidWorks offers complete 3D software tools that let you create, simulate, publish, and manage your data. If you want to pursue an entry-level mechanical coursework or envisioning designs and prototype development of large-scale mechanical products, SolidWorks is the perfect software to start with. It's an all-encompassing software that's handy to most manufacturing units. This is why, as a prospective user, you require a powerful machine to support the software. In simple words, SolidWorks is a high-end modeling platform that projects the 2D designs via integrated parametric innovations. Most importantly, this productive 3D dimensional computer-aided design tool brings forth intelligent, analytical technologies into the mix, besides helping professionals stimulate the purported physical tendencies like temperature, deflection, vibration, stress, fluid flow, and more. We have listed the top 5 best laptops for SolidWorks and their key features, plus the things to consider to help you choose the best one. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpick.com. Number 5. HP OMEN 15. This is ideal for professionals. It's a gaming laptop that's equally loved by engineers and 3D rendering enthusiasts due to its great productivity features. Offering exceptional power, this device is run from a standard Intel Core i7-9750H processor that is capable of running at a speed of up to 4.5 GHz and comes with 8 GB of RAM. It has a hexa-core processor, which is highly capable to handle larger assemblies like SolidWorks with ease. It sports a 15.6-inch display that has a resolution of 1920 by 1080p and packs 1 TB of HDD storage and 128 GB of SSD storage. Graphics are powered by the Intel Integrated HD Graphics 4400. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 802, Bluetooth, Ethernet. It also comes with one USB 2.0 port, HDMI port, mini card slot, headphone and mic combo jack, mic in, and RJ45 LAN ports. Number 4. Lenovo ThinkPad P53. NVIDIA's earth-shaking Quadro 16-byte RTX 5000 makes this monster one of the most powerful mobile workstations you can buy. It's hefty and it's pricey, but it obliterates big workflows on heavy softwares like nobody's business. This one comes with the Intel Core i7-9750H processor, 8 GB of memory, 256 GB solid-state drive, a 300 nit 1920 by 1080 pixel display. The test unit elevates the ante with a 6-core 2.8 GHz, 4.7 GHz turbo Xeon E 2276M processor, 64 GB of system RAM, and a 1 TB solid-state drive. It can reach clock speed up to 4.5 Hz. This chipset can easily handle some of the most complex aspects of SolidWorks. Number 3. Gigabyte AERO 15 X9 RT5P. Thin bezels around the screen and the solid design of the 15.6 inches full HD screen display makes Gigabyte AERO 15 one of the best choices for laptops for SolidWorks. Talking about display, Gigabyte went with the matte 1920 by 1080 IPS FHD 144Hz Pantone X-Rite panel that matches the laptop's thin profile. This is a pretty good panel for daily use and fairly good for using woodworks as a result of the short response and high refresh rate. You can also update the Intel Core i7 processor to 4.1 GHz using Turbo if you need to increase performance. Along with the Intel Core i7, you can use the laptop's RAM of 16 GB DDR4 to run SolidWorks effectively. Number 2. Razer Blade 15. If most of your projects on SolidWorks are drawing or modeling centric, the Razer Blade 15 will easily cut it for you. While the Razer Blade 15 notebook is mostly billed as a gaming laptop, we found its spec sheet to be equally excellent for SolidWorks. To start with, the Razer Blade 15 features a 6-core 10th generation Intel Core i7-10750H processor with up to 5 GHz clock speed, makes for speedy calculations and rendering. This allows hyper-threading to boost speed and breeze through basic simulations on SolidWorks. It also features NVIDIA's RTX 2080 Supermax Q graphics chip, a 1TB SSD, and 16GB of RAM. Topping it off, it has a 1080p display with a 300Hz refresh rate. This configuration is powerful, and it has no issue playing all of today's most demanding games at high frame rates with its display-native 1080p resolution. Yet, ray tracing without hand-holding via NVIDIA's IA-assisted DLSS feature still presents a big challenge. Pricing for the Blade 15 Advance starts at $2,599. While some SolidWorks professionals might not think too much of the 16GB RAM, it goes a long way to ensure error-free assemblies. Number 1. HP ZBook 15 G5. This is a flawless workstation for your academic and professional requirements. It's an absolute beast, waiting to chew through anything you can throw at it, with its 8th generation Core i7 processor and NVIDIA Quadro P 2000 GPU. Moreover, the existing chipset can turbo-clock at a speed up to 4.3 GHz. There is 9 MB cache storage on display, which speeds up the process even further. Coming to memory allocation, the device offers 32 GB of built-in RAM, which can be expanded depending on your needs. The dual storage module is the clear winner, with HP boasting of a 1TB SSD and a 1TB HDD to enhance the speed of Windows 10 operating system loading and render even the largest assemblies with ease. ZBook 15 is a meaty gray brick cutting off its own corners in an attempt to look cool. Hint, it doesn't. While the HP logo does look nice on the hood, the two-toned lip is just more gray on gray. The ZBook 15's 1920 by 1080p 120Hz 15.6-inch panel is an absolute winner. Every laptop on this list supports SolidWorks based on your level of expertise. The final selection takes your budget, professional possibilities, and portability preferences into account. If you want power while enjoying a lot of space for the sizable assemblies, nothing beats the workstation laptop HP ZBook 15 G5. Besides that, if you are deep into mechatronics, the Lenovo ThinkPad P53 is a good resource to have, mainly due to the high-end processor. If you are looking for a complete, future-proof device for running CAD software, consider getting the Razer Blade 15, which even works as a high-end gaming machine. Let us know in the comments below which laptop you're going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this one and it helped you in any way, please give it a like. Don't miss our future videos. Subscribe to the channel today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.